What is up, everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today we're calling it Tailgate Tuesday. So anyways, we're working on this new GMC tailgate here. As you can see, we actually have it removed from the vehicle here. This was actually pretty convenient for the customer. They actually dropped the vehicle or brought the vehicle by last night actually, and we actually popped the tailgate off for them while they waited, and then we actually put it up on the stand. That way they can go about their work day and whatnot, and with their entire truck intact. Just missing a tailgate, not a big deal. But anyways, so just kind of gonna flip the camera on here and show you some of the damage we are fixing here. So, pretty good sized little dents there, especially on this edge here. You can see it actually created a line right there because it actually hit the inner structure, this edge right here, and actually rolled the edge inwards, if you will. So we actually already have it taken apart. So this is where the latch assembly goes. So basically this assembly right here, that just bolts in there like that. Take those bolts out, and we actually disconnect the rod here. This is what actually physically pulls on it to open. So when you pull on the door, or the handle, I should say, this rod runs down there to the handle, and that's what actually opens up the tailgate or unlatches it. So that way we've got good access to this point right here, this dent. So we're going to go ahead and work this damage out with our tools. But also this dent over here, it's actually, as you can see, underneath that bracing structure. So we're going to actually have to do a little bit of extra different work here. We actually have to take a brace tool and wedge it in between there, work it out, as well as probably do some glue pulling. So just to kind of show you as far as what it looks like on the inside. So this is the tailgate from the bottom. And we actually remove the access plate here. And this allows us to have all these holes to get decent access, not to every single spot, but pretty good access, as well as we can get a tool in through the bottom here as well. So we'll work the damage area out from probably this hole here as well as coming through here, and then also up and over and through here. So anyways, and then kind of as I talked to you guys last night, hey, what's up, Ryan? As I talked last night, or touched on a little bit, we've also got this Jeep Wrangler here. We're doing quite a few dents and dings on it. So we're going to go ahead and finish up this tailgate here right away this afternoon here, and then get working on this Wrangler. This is actually from a local car lot. So we're just going to do some cleanup for them. The car will be brand new looking when it gets done here and dent free, and then we'll get them down the road, and they'll get it sold, so without any dents on it. So anyways, if you're interested in any of our paintless dent repair services, or have any questions for me about, maybe some damage, as far as maybe you have something in your car that you want to even ask if it's something we can fix or whatnot, be happy to answer any questions. Phone number here, 605-595-4061. You can call or text that number directly. Also, the phone number is also on any of the social media platforms you might be following us on as well. You can call to click there. Also, you can visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. We'd be happy to get you set up with an appointment time with us, and then we can see about getting your vehicle all fixed up and dent free again. So anyways, thanks for joining me this Tuesday morning, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.